Babe, can you smoke these
What we got?
chicken wings? Oh, and I need 3 different flavors.
Alright, so today we're gonna be doing 3 sets of wings. We're gonna do 3 different flavors. Alright, so we got 3 different flavors of wings we're gonna do today, man. We got sweet smoky brown sugar, garlic parmesan, not a fan. And then
Good
we're
thing
gonna
this ain't
do
about you.
honey chipotle. Alright, so we're gonna do a small amount of the garlic parmesan. Because we don't know how this tastes. We don't know how it's gonna come out, so we're gonna do a small amount. Generous, but small amount.
Smell good.
Definitely smell good. But is it gonna taste good?
I want to go for a wet sauce over it, but he's not feeling it.
Alright, so now we're gonna do the honey chipotle this time. I was ready to see how it's gonna look. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24.
You scared?
You?
Never. You know I love spicy.
That's cap. Bam. Now we're gonna come back with the sweet smoky brown sugar. Which ones you think gonna be the best ones?
The sweet smoky brown sugar and that honey chipotle for sure. Grill looks good, ready to go. Got some big briquettes in there. Is that what it's called? Briquette? Oh, I got it right. Got some big briquettes in there. Got a couple
You
of
be
wood
listening
pieces. A little bit. A couple of wood pieces. This is what the firebox looking like. Got a couple of briquettes in there too. Got a little wood piece went in there. What we got going on here? What flavors these is?
Ooh, hold on. It was getting to me. Those are the honey chipotle.
Honey chipotle.
So we're gonna just sit back and let them smoke right quick. Close this down.
We smoking or grilling?
Both.
Oh yeah, because you do got some wood in
I
it.
got wood in there, man.
All right, my bad, cousin.
Little charcoal, a little wood, a little mixture,
Okay.
little mesquite mixture.
Okay.
So I am going ahead to start on my crab cakes, you guys. So I am meal prepping for the week for dinner, and I am meal prepping my husband's lunch also. And some of the dinner will also be my daughter's lunch for school. So I decided I'm going to do crab cakes. Crab cakes, don't get me wrong, it's not ideal for a lunch meal prep or for dinner meal prep, but I wanted some crab cakes on the grill. So I have some Old Bay. I am doing the Kinder's Cajun seasoning. Feel free to use whatever Cajun seasoning you want to use. Slap your mamas. I did some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, and I also got some fresh dill. I did a lot of that fresh dill, y'all. I love fresh dill inside of my crab cakes. I also squeezed 1 whole lemon, so you want to get you some fresh lemon juice. And I used the garlic paste as well. And I got this honey Dijon mustard. And also I did some Duke's mayo, and I did 2 eggs. Now I'm doing 2 pounds of the crab meat, so that's why I did 2 eggs. If you're doing 1 pound, you may want to just go 1 egg. And then I'm doing some breadcrumbs. Some people substitute the breadcrumbs for Ritz crackers, but I like to just simply do the breadcrumbs. You don't want to over mix that crab meat because you want to leave some of those lumps inside of there so that you can have like a little lump crab cake. Now, my crab cakes are going on the grill to just get like a little smoke flavor to it. However, this recipe is more so for a baked crab cake. I got about 9 crab cakes out of my 2 pounds. Now you can definitely make them smaller and get you more crab cakes, and then that can stretch you out more. Topped it off with a little bit more Old Bay seasoning, and I put those inside of the refrigerator until my husband was ready to actually put those on the grill. Went ahead and started my noodles for my veggie pasta that I'm going to be doing, and I'm just simply doing a homemade sauce for the crab cakes. Now y'all, I really didn't care for the sauce. I did find the recipe online, but I really didn't care for it. I let it sit for some time, and then I ended up liking it.
Babe, can you smoke these too?
What is this? Crab cakes on the grill.
Yeah. Could you grill those for me?
Hey, I'll try, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's up. About to put these crab cakes on here. It's my first time doing it. Smoked, grilled crab cakes is crazy work. But
I know I'll be coming up with stuff.
you do. I don't think you be thinking it through, but we here.
Watch it be busting. Watch it be busting.
I'm trying to make sure I
You
was
trying to
getting
see how
some
this
heat.
go?
No, I was trying to make sure I was getting some heat.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
While the crab cakes are smoking on the grill, we're going to go ahead and get into our veggie pasta. Now, with this veggie pasta, feel free to add you some shrimp in it, some chicken in it. But I cut up me some carrots, added those to a pot of water. I let those boil down and soften up a little bit, and just went ahead and added my broccoli in. I went ahead and shredded up some sharp cheddar cheese. Now, putting the broccoli inside of the pot, very much optional. You definitely can just throw it in the pot with your vegetable and just let everything steam. So I went ahead and got started on my homemade sauce. Y'all, fun fact, this was my first time actually making my own homemade sauce for my pasta. Normally my husband do it, but I said, let me try. So I'm doing cheddar cheese because I felt like I'm doing the broccoli. So let's do cheddar cheese. And then I'm also doing some Parmesan cheese. And then I season it with the seasonings that I wanted to use. And I added in a little bit of broth and some heavy whipping cream. All I had to do was mix everything in all together, and that pasta was completely finished.
Garlic parm wings with the garlic parm sauce.
Okay.
You ready to try these?
Yes, sir. We're going in with the, what's that? Chipotle pineapple. Give it a little fart.
Oops.
Uh-oh. No wing left behind.
I know you like extra saucy wings.
And do. That's how good that one is, y'all. See, it's gone. Now that's hung in my head.
Founders Reserve, our boldest barbecue. So
And
we're
it
gonna
is
see what this
good.
It's good.
To me, it is.
It ain't sweet, is it?
No, it's not. It's bold.
Bold.
Try Hubby wings. So these are the
Bold and beautiful.
bold and beautiful. Thank you. Okay. This sauce is amazing. I didn't often eat any at all. Those are good. Okay, Parmesan. You like drums or flats? You better say what I want to hear.
Flats.
Okay. All right, we're gonna try the garlic parm next with the garlic buffalo sauce, garlic sauce. I like them too. Them are good. They got that garlic buttery taste. I like them.
Yeah.
He's smacking. Okay. And what's the last one?
Honey chipotle.
Okay. Honey chipotle with the chipotle pineapple Kinder sauce. Okay. My favorite ones are these. These are definitely a 10.
You like them more?
Yeah, these are so good. So good. That's
Over the
what-
honey chipotle?
Yeah, these are so good.
Okay.
And then I like, they actually in order. I like the garlic parm next.
I know
And
you
then this.
lying.
Why I gotta be lying?
Come on with it. So
Yeah.
it's boom, boom, and boom.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Let's go ahead and prep my husband's lunch for the week. I typically only prep for 4 days instead of 5 days. Either my husband's job is going to feed them, or I just might leave Friday open just in case he want to get something different, or if I decide I want to fix him something different on Friday. So he's having some pineapple honey chipotle wings. We also did some garlic parmesan wings and like a sweet brown sugar wings. All of them were Kinder's flavor. And I just kind of added in some celery and carrots, and then he'll have a salad on the side. He's also doing a veggie pasta just with some carrots, some broccolis, and then I put a crab cake on the side with a homemade sauce. And if he chooses to, he can either have some fruit on the side or he can also add in a Caesar side salad.